Welcome back to my channel, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cruising with Goldie. Guys, in today's episode, I'm going to give you an update what is happening in cruise world. So the first update is coming from the Carnival Corporation, not the Carnival Cruises. Now, the Carnival Corporation has said recently by end of this year, they're going to restart around 63 ships. Now, when I talk about Carnival Corporation, they own so many brands. This is the video I actually made on Carnival Corporation. If you get time, you please go ahead and watch it. The link is in a description box. Another update which is coming from the Canada. Yes, guys. Beginning of this year, Canada has said that they're going to shut down all the ports till 2022. But the good news which is coming, that Canada is going to open their port in this year, November 2021. The third update is coming from the Virgin Cruises. Virgin Cruises postponed two of their ships' sailing date. So sorry for Virgin. They are trying to start their ship, but they are not getting the right time and the right date. Now the fourth update is coming from the Alaska. Guys, in summer, Alaska is a very important region for cruising. Which all cruise going to sail in Alaska? This is the list. Celebrity Millennium, July 23rd, Holland America Amsterdam, July 24th, Princess Cruises Majestic Princess, July 25th, Silver Sea, July 29th, Norwegian Encore, August 7th, Ovation of the Sea, August 13th, and Carnival Miracle, August 15th. So these are the ships which is going to sail in Alaskan region. Final update which is coming from the MSC Cruises. So MSC Cruises successfully completed their first trial cruise in USA. So guys, this was the update. I will keep updating you about cruise ship and cruise ship life. So please subscribe to my channel and I will see you in my next video. So stay tuned with Cruising with Goldie. Bye then, bye from Cruising with Goldie.